How to make side income from home. When one has the capital to make a significant investment, the thought of buying a property to let surely comes to mind. Letting out a property can be a fine source of capital growth, however it also requires much work on the part of the landlord. If it is your intention to purchase a property to let, it is important to know a few of the pitfalls along the way and how to avoid them. The first thing you must know is for what purpose you are buying the property. Your objectives might be income, which is your month-to-month profits from the tenants, or capital growth, which deals with making a profit through increased equity from the second property as the value increases over time. This choice should influence what type of property you purchase and the location of the property. Maintaining a property is an expensive process. As a guide, you should be aiming to achieve a gross rent of at least 135% of the property's interest-only mortgage repayments. This will help you cover your costs should anything go wrong with the property. There are three great differences with buy-to-let mortgages that you should know about. Firstly is rent potential. The decision as to whether or not a mortgage is offered is most often based on the rent you earn in addition to your income. In some cases, your income might not even be considered. Secondly is the interest rate. Buy-to-let mortgages come with a slightly higher interest rate. Lastly is the larger deposit. The deposit is typically a minimum of 20 to 25% of the property's value. Research into the type of mortgage you wish to apply for is important, of course. For many people, fixed-rate interest options are preferable. Repayments for buy-to-let properties can frequently be done in interest-only repayments, but if you wish to repay the entire value of a property, then look for a mortgage that will allow you to overpay each month if you desire. Finding a loan that will calculate interest daily instead of annually is more fair to you, since your interest will be calculated on a current balance instead of on repayments that you have already made through the course of the year. Before you decide to apply for your mortgage loan, think about how you want to let your property. You can let the property in various stages of furnishing, but if you choose to let a property with furnishings, you will have to buy the furnishings and deal with any damage caused by the residents while you are letting the property. Determine if you can afford to furnish the property and factor that into the cost you will ask for to let each month. Buying a property to let can be an exciting experience, and although it is hard work, it can pay off well in the end. Determine what exactly you want to get out of the letting experience and how you want to let the property. After that, the sky is the limit.